Everyone, welcome to Smart Kitchen. Today we're making apple pie. Cut up 4 or 5, depending on the size, apples and put them in a bowl. Then we'll make the filling. Some cinnamon, some sugar, and then all you have to do is mix. After that, add some cornstarch and continue mixing. Then add the mix to your apples. Remember to save around 1 tablespoon for later. Now you're going to mix everything up so the apples in the mixture are thoroughly combined. Then grease a pan to put your apples in. And then you're going to pour them in and flatten them out with your hands to make sure they're even. Now we're going to make the dough for the top. Add some flour. Whole wheat is the best option. Then some cold butter straight from the fridge. Then you're going to mix it with your hands until everything's thoroughly combined. Now, bit by bit, keep adding cold water. Then, flour your surface that you're working on and put the dough on. And then, you're going to flatten out and cut strips. Lay out the strips horizontally and vertically. Then bake and let's see the final result.